Painful. Each time when the Auditor General comes to report to Cabinet and they put up their report, and those municipalities that do best are not ANC-controlled municipalities. And I can name it here because there's nothing wrong with competition. They are often DA-controlled municipalities. We need to ask ourselves, what is it that they are doing?
President Cyril Ramaphosa has expressed frustration over the persistent underperformance of the ANC-led municipalities compared to the DA-led counterparts, calling on party councillors to improve service delivery and financial management. Speaking at the ANC's roll call event for councillors at the FNB Stadium in Soweto, Ramaphosa urged party members to study municipalities that are performing well and adopt best practices, and said, I can name it here because there is nothing wrong with competition. Often there are DA-controlled municipalities. We need to ask ourselves, what are they doing better than us? He singled out Cape Town and Stellenbosch as examples, emphasizing that the ANC councillors should learn from successful municipalities to move up the ladder and avoid stagnation, and said it hurts me deeply when I see that our municipalities sometimes move even backward. You are the people who can improve that. Audit outcomes are important. Ramaphosa also highlighted concerns raised by the Auditor General, noting that several ANC-led municipalities' financial statements were prepared outside council structures rather than at the council level. He stressed the importance of deploying capable and skilled individuals to manage local government effectively, and said our country is not short of people who understand numbers. It's not short of people who understand accounting. Let us go and get people who understand accounting. ANC National Chairperson Gwede Mantashe also addressed the councillors, criticizing the party for prioritizing spectacle over substance, and said, I know we have a lot of singing councillors, but we have no councils. You all sing well, but capacity dololo. The remarks come amid growing scrutiny of the ANC municipalities' performance as voters increasingly compare service delivery outcomes between ruling and opposition-led councils. The leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, Julius Malema, fired a sharp response after Cyril Ramaphosa praised the DA. Malema accused the president of throwing his party under the bus before it could do the same to him, like past leaders. Speaking from the EFF's headquarters in Johannesburg, he called Ramaphosa's praise for the DA a masterstroke for his image but a disaster for the ANC, and said Ramaphosa scored on goals, arguing the president prioritized personal honesty over party loyalty. The EFF spokesperson, Tambo, added that it leaves the ANC publicly embarrassed and low on morale, with Ramaphosa emerging as the man of integrity while the party suffers irreparable reputational damage. The EFF, ANC's fiercest rival, sees this as weakness ahead of the 2026 polls, where service failures could cost seats. Malema mocked the timing and said Ramaphosa threw the ANC under the bus before it could throw him under the bus like his predecessors. He tied it to the NEC's Boksburg meeting where Ramaphosa slammed corruption as the elephant in the room, citing Dijobotla in Northwest under administration multiple times as a failure where business fled, killing jobs. Malema's barbs fit the EFF's narrative of ANC decline, pushing radical land and economic reforms. With 9.5% in the 2024 elections, the EFF eyes gains in metros like Johannesburg, where coalitions teacher DA's Victory Lab. We get things done. The DA lapped up the praise, with Zil posting on X that DA gets things done. Federal Council Chair Helen said Ramaphosa's words validate their model of clean governance and efficiency. In Cape Town, DA Mayor Gordon Hill-Lewis highlighted 98% clean audits and renewable water. Contrasting ANC spots like eThekwini with sewage spills, the DA in GNU nationally governs key metros in Western Cape, crediting merit-based hires and anti-corruption drives. The president of the ANC has also warned ANC councillors that not prioritizing delivering services to residents could lead to the death of the party, and said we may as well pack and go home. As councillors, you must take up this task because if not, we are dead. Basically, it means we may just as well pack up and go home. It's councillors who are supposed to turn things around. This is crucial. In laying out the party's plan of action for local government, Ramaphosa said the party was aware that some councillors were entangled with syndicates, and some of you may have already fallen into being captured, or you may well have fallen into the temptation of being captured by business, by syndicates. But comrades, today we are giving you the opportunity to free yourself and come back home. He called on councillors to mend their ways before it was too late, and said, we are going to go after those syndicates. We know them, and we are going to nab them now before it is too late, because they are only interested in advancing their own interest, their own parochial and personal interest. Ramaphosa's then warning, however, went a step further and included officials in municipalities and said we must ensure that the priorities we identified are taken up by officials within the municipality. Now, we've often heard that sometimes officials themselves become obstructionist. He said officials often stood in the way of executing decisions, and said we must ensure that the priorities we identified are taken up by officials within the municipality. Now, we've often heard that sometimes officials themselves become obstructionist. Now the solution is simple, it's clear. Someone is supposed to execute those decisions and does not. There's only one way out, and the way out is the door. You can even find a window.
Whoa, Yema. I know that we have a lot of singing councillors, but we have no councils. You all sing well, but capacity dololo. Yabona, no mamela. Yabona Moscow ngabona. No.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.